Hello guys, this is now our continuation of our visit at Tokyo Dome City Attraction. Today, I heard there is a baseball game at Tokyo Dome, Giants versus Yokohama Bay Stars, so we need to go there and check it out. But before that, let's check this area again as we hit that area, okay? So join me. Tokyo Dome with seating capacity of 55,000 is the home stadium of the famous Tokyo Giants, a professional baseball team. Concerts, festivals, and other events are held in the stadium when there are no games. Tokyo Dome, nicknamed Big Egg, was completed in 1988 and replaced the former Korakuen Stadium. Oh, there are quite a number of baseball gift shop stalls outside the Tokyo Dome, and fans are starting to get one to cheer their favorite baseball team. How about you? Which one is your favorite team? Do you wanna buy one also? While sumo in Japan's national sport, baseball is one of Japan's most popular. With this number of people in queue, you will know that Japanese likes baseball sports and they are very supportive in their favorite baseball team. Now it's time to visit this favorite baseball shop outside the Tokyo Dome. The ballpark store sells different baseball souvenirs. Surely, baseball fans love to go this store. Again, today's game is Tokyo Giants versus the Yokohama Bay Stars. So let's check inside what souvenirs we can buy. If you like baseball caps and baseball shirt, for sure you will love this store. Major League Baseball is one of the famous stores to buy baseball souvenirs. I believe most of us like these cups. These baseball shirts is one of the best souvenirs we can get. The Jump Shop official Jump anime merchandise carry a wide range of goods from clothing and stationery to other great memorabilia that doubles as souvenirs. Most stores also sell officially licensed cosplay goods for fans looking to add their favorite anime characters look to their closet. Some popular cosplay items sold at the Jump Shops include Zoro's earrings, the uniform from Haikyuu, and the jackets worn by ninjas in Naruto. There are multiple jump shops in Tokyo. So when you are in Japan, I recommend you to visit these anime stores. It's a great place to buy souvenirs and to take pictures too. Thank you for watching guys. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Until next time.